The sneezing elephant. Timmy. The elephant had a big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Achoo, went Timmy. His sneeze blew away a tree. Achoo! His sneeze knocked over a fence. Achoo! It sent all the bananas flying out of the monkey's hands. The monkeys yelled, "Timmy, stop sneezing." "I can't help it," said Timmy, sniffing. Then a tiny mouse walked by. Everyone froze. Timmy gasped. Choo. The sneeze was so big it sent Timmy flying into the pond. The monkeys laughed. "At least he's washed now." And from that day, Timmy always carried a giant tissue.